Ama-actors.
Yes.
Athi, hey manje, industry is getting infested with influencer mfethu. Uyenzelani leyo nto uthi? Uyenzelani leyo nto mfethu?
No, not really. Not really. So, njengoba kade ngingakhuluma ukuthi we always encourage people to do something.
Yeah.
To do something. Because you find abantu othola ukuthi bagraduate bangama-actors, like bangama-thespians. So, ngenxa yokuthi umsebenzi abawutholi, and then babesebenza i-content. Uma benza i-content, baba nama-numbers, and then wena masubona ukuthi lo muntu simazela ku-TikTok, and then unama-numbers, you forget ukuthi lo muntu lo mhlambe une-degree ye-drama, mhlambe une-degree ye-speech and drama, or whatever that has to do with acting. Omunye uthola ukuthi ukhulele theatre as well.
Yeah.
So, but ngenxa yokuthi wena
Uzombona ku-social media,
and then you think we-influencer, kanti lo muntu lo actor, like a proper actor.
I agree with you.
Yeah.
I agree with you. So we've also had the same problem with radio presenters where abasakazi bethi manje emsakazweni sekufakwa ama-influencer thina abasakazi bangempela they like overlook us. I'm like, bathi kufakwa ama-celebrity. I'm like, okay bro, because when you are a real radio originator.
Yes.
How about you become a celebrity then? Ubona ukuthi ngeke beqashe yini?
Easy.
It's easy.
Sesine internet man.
Yeah, bro. Do something.
Just use internet.
Yeah.
Now you can usakaze khona go TikTok. Usakaze khona go TikTok, and then we recognize you. Okay, there's a talent there.
Yeah.
Sesiyakusebenzisa. Then abanye ozakwenu nabo they will say something ngawo. Okay, because
bamthole social media, you know?
No, this is what you always wanted.
It's what you loved.
Exactly. So nama actors, very same thing. Very same thing. Unless mawukuthi mhlambe within i-show kune scene edinga ukuthi sibe nama celebrities and influencers. So kwi-show engiqeda kuyenza nje recently i-Bad Influencer.
Yeah.
We needed
you
influencers.
Did that?
Yes. We needed influencers.
What a beautiful show, bro.
So luckily when it comes to relationships, I'm very big. So it was not a big deal to get those influencers.
Aye, bro. Even Zosi, yeah?
Oh, yeah! And Zosi.
No, that was a beautiful show. Yeah. We're speaking with Unjabulo Shelembe. We've got a question here from Umlaleli for you to